Okay. So I had asked SP students to join for a few minutes, for from some 5 7 minutes, because I'm supposed to give certain instruction about pre-test, but they have not joined. Let me try writing in the group one more time. And Pratiksha madam is not picking up the call. By the way, before we start, what we did do in the last lecture? Can somebody tell me what did we do in the last lecture? Are you listening to me?
Uh,
Hmm.
અસાઇનમેન્ટ સબમિટ કર્યા હતા ને એક ન્યૂ અસાઇનમેન્ટ ટિકિટ કર્યું હતું કંપની ચૂઝ કરી હતી.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Okay. So assignment we have submitted and one new assignment was given and company have been selected. Now, how many of you have not selected the company yet? Everybody has selected the company?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. So I'm going to present something today. Are you able to see the presentation?
No. Yeah.
No? Just a minute. Can you see the presentation now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm great. You are good, right? Everybody is
Yes,
happy
ma'am. Yes,
studying
ma'am. We are
from
happy.
home.
Yes,
Studying from
PS
home.
વાળા આવી ગયા.
SPS people have come. So today, yes, what are we going to do is, by the time all SPS joins, we, as in the last session, somebody reconnect.
મેડમ તમારો વોઇસ લેગ થાય છે.
ના બરોબર
બરોબર
છે
જ છે
મેં
ભાઈ.
બરોબર છે તારે નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ.
ફોન બદલાઈ નાખો.
Thank you so much. See, now don't do one thing. I will not be able to, since I'm seeing the PPT, it is not like drive, it is a little different today. So if I'm on the PPT, I will not be able to see the screen. Okay. So that's one thing. So don't type the message. I will not be able to see them. So if you have to say something, you please, speak. Unmute your mic for a while and speak. Okay. So what are we going to do in this session is we are going to discuss about pre-test. There are some instructions. Then we'll discuss about CSE. That as somebody said that you have selected a company and a new assignment has been given and all that. Then we'll have some doubts. Now, first pre-test, since all SPS students are joining, so those who have joined, it is good for them. Those who can't join, okay, they may inform the others. Those who are here can inform the other. Now, your pre-test is open again. So those who could not give pre-test, right? There were some students who could not give pre-test because of their ID password issue and all these things. So what I have done is I have again opened the pre-test for those who could not do it due to some or other reason. So
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, Dev here. Sorry to interrupt you. Ma'am,
yes.
due to 100 students, another my team, my SPS classmates are not able to join the class. Can you please repeat after this session?
Oh yes.
100
Okay.
ની લિમિટ આવી ગઈ છે ને તો હવે એડ નથી થઈ શકતા આપણે 100 થઈ ગયા છે ને એટલે.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Okay, Dev, can you do this announcement in your class? I'll just inform you, right? And then all
Okay, ma'am.
it. Okay, just when you join Pratiksha madam's class, you can do this
Okay, okay.
announcement in her class.
Sure,
So there
ma'am.
are
Sure, ma'am.
yes. The first thing is now Jalokoni LRW test baki cha. They can go back online and give the test. It is open. Second thing, video is ready. I will share the video. And third thing is, જે લોકોની speaking બાકી છે, I'm going to organize in the next week and I will share the schedule and everything in the class. Got it? Dev, are you clear? You have a doubt?
No, ma'am, I'm clear with it.
Okay, so these are the important instructions. Now you may go back to your class. All SPS students can go back to their respective class and can join.
Okay, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye, dear. Have a good day.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank
Take care,
you.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Okay. So now let us come back to all adaptability students. See here. So there was an instruction about pretest. Do you have any doubt about pretest now? Because I got some messages and all that things. So if you have a doubt about, SPS students can leave better. All SPS students can leave now. Yes. Anybody has a doubt in pretest?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, let us start things. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about CSE, which is, yes, the assignment which I asked you to fill up the topics in the previous class. Samarth Parmar, okay. In the previous class. So we are going to discuss about CSE in detail, as I told you in the last lecture, right? That we will discuss about pretest. Next, we will do is, if you have any question or doubts, we'll deal with that. And if there is some time, I have a small video to show, but if there is a time, but I have not written it, not included it in PPT. Now, selecting a topic. So there are a few things we will be doing about CSE. Here, there is a problem. Okay, now there are a few things about CSE. What you have to do in CSE? CSE is an assignment which is a long assignment. You just keep that much in your mind. I will discuss about it later. So you have to select a topic that you have done. Everybody here present online today have selected a topic in the drive. Did you understand? Or should I ask again? આજે અત્યારે જેટલા લોકો ઓનલાઈન આ ક્લાસમાં પ્રેઝન્ટ છે એ બધા લોકોએ ટોપિક સિલેક્ટ કરી લીધો છે કે બાકી છે? Are you all sleeping?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All awake, right? Raj Godasra બાકી છે. Bansi, okay, is to do yet. Very good. No problem. You can do that later. Now in the class, Neil Ladani has to do that. Okay. So now here during the class, you don't have to do anything. Last session was about it during the class. Okay. Now we are not supposed to do during the class. Now you can do later. If you don't know how to do, in case if you are absent in the previous class, you may ask your friends or somebody. Though I'm going to also demonstrate once. Okay. Now again, let us go back to PPT. So you have to select a topic. I will tell you in detail about selecting a topic. What are the things you need to take care? Though you have all selected a correct topic, but still. Next is, once you select the topic, what you have to do? You have to Google the information. You have to Google the information, meaning, for example, you have selected Apple. So you are going to work on Apple company. So you have to include all the information about Apple. So Google it, study it thoroughly. So whatever information you Google, try to study that thoroughly. Right? So for example, you Googled about Apple and you found, okay, these are the 5 things which are very important. You saved the files. Right? You copy pasted, downloaded, whatever you did. Now then you understand that do not just copy paste. Then write it in your own words. Once your Google surfing is over, then when you have studied the required information, you have to write in your own words. You have to write the assignment. As I told you, this is written assignment. You have to write the assignment in your own words, and then you have to upload in the shared folder with me through Google Drive. Okay? That's one thing. Now, how are you going to select a topic? So you have to please select a company related to your field of study, right? Somebody selected Ellen Choli. Now, Ellen Choli has nothing to do with your branch of study, that is computer application, right? So if you select a company that is Apple, right, you may select Nokia, you may also select MI, right? So if you select a digital company, that's a point, right? It is a good topic and that can be selected. If you don't select a company which is not related to the branch of study, I will not approve it. Next is, you may also select a technology, right? For example, you may take this, what do we call, the technology that Lenskart is using. Can you name the technology? You know, have you seen the lenskart.com? Right. So what is the name of the technology that a lenskart.com is using to match the frame with your face? Very good. B2C. So you can select a particular technology. Are you getting my point? Do you understand what I'm trying to explain? Very good. તમને સમજાય છે ને બધાને? So technology meaning what? Technology meaning તમારે કોઈ સ્પેસિફિક કંપની લેવાની જરૂર નથી. તમે કોઈ ટેકનોલોજીની જ વાત કરી શકો. There are a lot of interface. Birwa join SPS class, not join RWT class. Maybe she wants to select SPS subject and she is a new student, so we should allow it. So this is one thing. You have to select a technology which is related to your field. Okay. For example, combustion engine is also a technology, but it is related to mechanical engineering and not computer application, so you will not select that. Another thing you can do is, you may also select an application or a device related to your field of studies. Now you may select an application. Right? There are a lot of applications available in Play Store. Right? So you can select the different kinds of calculators are there, right? A lot of reading applications are there. For example, Kindle. Kindle is an application, right? Goodreads. Goodreads also is an application and used by Kindle as a plugin. So you can use that. Then you may say a specific device. For example, Alexa, right? So Alexa is a device. So you may select something like that, right? I got a couple of WhatsApp messages about selection doubts. So I thought I should include this in the class. And again, there were some students who were saying that, Madam, somebody wrote this and that. See, there are plenty of topics, not specific that you have to take a particular topic only, right? Somebody has written Apple. Just don't go in detail. You also have written Apple, just strike out Apple, write something else. There are plenty of things to work on. Right? You are just, 15 numbers. We have more than 50 things. Yes or no? So do not select something which somebody else has selected and there is no point fighting over it. બરાબર? એટલે આવા કોઈ ઝઘડા મારી પાસે લઈને ન આવતા. મેડમ મેં આ રાખ્યું ને મેં આ રાખ્યું છે. તમારે એકબીજા સાથે વાત કરી લેવાની. બરાબર? ફોન કરી લેવાનો એકબીજાને કે ભાઈ તે એપલ રાખ્યું છે, મેં એપલ રાખ્યું છે. તું બદલાવી નાખ કે હું બદલાવી નાખું. ઈ એમ કે હાલ ને હું આ રાખી દઉં. તો આ ભાઈ તું ઈ રાખી દે. Why I'm saying this? Because you have not started working on it. એવું તો છે ને કે તમે એની ઉપર 50 પેજ લખી નાખ્યા અને હવે મેડમ મેં આની ઉપર લખી નાખ્યું ને એણે એના ઉપર કરી નાખ્યું છે, એવું બિલકુલ કરવાનું નથી. બીજું, the drive which I have shared with you, which has એડિટિંગ રાઇટ્સ બરાબર તમે એડિટ કરી શકો છો વી આર મેચ્યોર્ડ આપણે મોટા લોકો છે ડ્રાઈવ એટલા માટે શેર કરીએ છીએ બીકોઝ વી અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધ રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી આપણે આપણું જ એડિટ કરવાનું છે આપણે કોઈનું એડિટ કરવાનું નથી વી આર નોટ સપોઝ ટુ ટચ ઓન એનીબડીઝ ટોપિક વિચ he or she has written except somebody tells you okay so I don't want a complaint madam મેં કર્યું હતું મારું ડિલીટ કરી નાખ્યું નાણે લખી નાખ્યું don't do that okay so this sort of complaints we are not going to discuss about and deal with it. So better don't do that. Okay, now let us move ahead. A format of CSE, right? This is very, very important. What you have to do is you have to write about the topic in around 500 words. બરાબર તમારે 500 words લખવાના છે. How you have to write? I'll inform you. We'll discuss about it. You have to write it in 500 words, about 3 to 4 pages. You have to prepare a word file, right? કોઈ છે એ બુકમાં લખીને ફોટો પાડીને મને મોકલશે નહીં. You have to type it, you have to write it in a word file. Everybody has a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, you can also type it in your mobile, right? But since you are in BCA, I think you all must have laptop, okay? If you don't have a laptop, that's okay. You can, once in a while, you can also type in the phone and you can take somebody's help. Maybe your friend has a laptop, you can type in his laptop. First, you can write in your book. Okay. Next is Times New Roman, font size 12, heading 14. Save the file with your name and enrollment number. Like, this is XXX is your enrollment number _ name. Right? This is the only format of writing for name. Save your file with your names and there should not be so many variations in it. Please, I would not encourage that so much. Now, no copy pasting. Right? I have a software which can tell me that if this person has copy pasted or not. If he or she has copy pasted it from somewhere, I will get to know that he or she has copy pasted. Not only that, I will also get to know that where it has been copied from. So in that case, what will happen to you? Can somebody tell me? Read this slide and tell me what will happen to you if you copy paste. Can somebody unmute your mic and tell me? Ashwin, thank you. We get 0 marks. Everybody else is sleeping? You get fail. Very good. So you get 0 marks. Now, how exactly that would affect? Let us have a look. Of course, when orientation, we were all having a discussion. I had discussed it with you, but still you are, little confused about the marks and all that. Let me tell you. So you have 100 marks total that you will get, and our subject will not have exam. Do you know this? Do you know that we don't have exams? Only Bansi and Ashwin knows, Aman Tiwari knows. Baki badane khabar nathi. You are feeling like sleepy, nobody is replying. So you don't have exam, and instead of exam, what you have to do? Exam ni badle tamare શું કરવાનું છે? Assignments. Very good. And if you don't do assignment, you fail, right? Do you think you fail if you don't do assignment properly? Yes. And if you fail, what happens? You have to give the exam in the next semester, right? So it is that serious. So let me explain you. You have 4 components. CSE in a full form cha, continuous semester evaluation, right? How many marks it is? 20 marks. And this is our CSE assignment which I am giving you, right? It has one long assignment. Second is IA, internal assessment, 30 marks, which will have 3 small assignments. One I have given, writing the description of gadget. Next is term work. Term work, yes, there is a beautiful thing I want to explain about term work. Term work is actually a presentation. You know what is a presentation? Do you know what is presentation? If I say कि तुम्हारा presentation करवानो है, so do you understand what you have to do? Bhavdeep, tell me, what do you think a presentation is? Bhavdeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What do you think? What could be the presentation? Presentation શું હશે? હું એમ કહું કે તમારે presentation કરવાનું છે 25 marks માટે.
અત્યારે તમને જે દેખાડ્યું ને એ રીતનું પ્રેઝન્ટેશન આપવાનું છે.
Exactly. Thank you.
PowerPoint.
Yes, PowerPoint presentation you have to prepare, right? And how many marks it has, Darshika? Darshika, presentation has how many marks? Mic is not working. You can type here. How many marks the presentation has? Neil Ladani, 20. Can you see the screen? Can you see my presentation? Okay. So how many marks it has? Presentation at 25 marks, che, beta. Presentation is term work and term work has 25 marks. Now, whatever is your topic of CSE, right? Whatever topic you have selected as CSE, the same topic you have to keep in your presentation, right? So there is only one thing that happens in presentation is that you prepare a PPT, otherwise all the details you have in a Word file, that because you have already prepared a Word file. So in a way, this assignment has 45 marks because the topic you select in CSE, on the same topic, you are supposed to prepare a presentation, right? This is a special advantage and this is intended to decrease your work and to motivate you to have a good quality assignment. So be very careful about whatever details you read and study and collect because it is a question of 45 marks. If you do not work nicely, sincerely, you lose more marks. If you work nicely, you gain more marks. So it's like that. So can Neil Larani explain me that what is the connection between CSE and term work? Neil, you may use any language, you may maybe use Gujarati, but can you tell me what is the connection between CSE and term work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Neil beta, can you explain what is the connection between CSE and term work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ટર્મ વર્કમાં ટીમમાં વર્ક કરવાનું છે ગમે તે જે આપણે વર્ક તમે આપ્યું હોય અને સીએસસી નું જે વર્ક હોય ને એ ટીમ વર્ક કરવાનું છે અને સીએસસી માં અસાઇનમેન્ટ તૈયાર કરવાની છે.
Okay.
20 માર્ક્સ અસાઇનમેન્ટ ના.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Neil. Paras, can you tell me what did you understand? Paras Khoot. Is Paras Khoot listening to me? Vruti, can you tell me what is to be done in Gujarat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Paras Khoot આજે absent કર નાખીશ તારી જોજે. Yes.
આપણે જે ઓકે મેમ જે આપણે સીએસસી માં જે આપણે એસાઇનમેન્ટ તમે આપ્યો છે એ આપણે વ્યવસ્થિત પ્રોપરલી કરવાનો અને એનું જ પ્રેઝન્ટેશન આપણે ટર્મ વર્કમાં કરવાનું છે.
Very good. Thank you so much. Very nice. Thank you, Vruti. Mohit, can you repeat one more time in English in detail? Mohit Pathak. Can Mohit Pathak listen to me? Yes, Mohit, please unmute your mic and explain the assignment. What did you understand? Mohit can't. Mic issue. Okay. Sumitra, please explain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in your own words. Okay, explain in detail in your own language what is to be done. What did you understand?
Ma'am, I understand this. You are given an assignment, a CSE assignment. Very, this is a very, how can you, very
Gujarat?
important, very important to work in RWT final exam and including marks. And you are given one assignment and take it a company and write a company 500 words and two page and word file.
Barabar.
And that this assignment present and on turn work, and this is a very important to final exam.
Okay.
First.
So, in short, there are two assignments in one assignment. બરાબર? CSE માં તમે જે ટોપિક રાખ્યો છે in the same topic તમારે presentation માં પણ એ જ ટોપિક રાખવાનો છે. Do you get this? So in CSE you have kept Apple company and you have written 4 pages about Apple. In term work you have to present about Apple and you have to make PPT presentations. Clear? I'm telling this so much and repetitively. I'm asking you to repeat because what happens after the lecture gets over, I get so many WhatsApp messages, people asking, Madam, શું કરવાનું હતું? Right? And the worst thing I would face is the next class, everybody would ask me, Madam, what was to be done? Right? To avoid that. Okay. So uploading and sharing. Do not share file with me. This is very important. There are so many people who are sharing files with me. You don't have to share file with me. You have to just upload. So now let us see how you do that. Okay. Can you see my email now? Everybody, I will not be able to read your messages. You have to unmute your mic and tell me. Right? You can see my email. So once you open your Gmail, you will have this 9 dots here, right? Just click there. You will have drive. Right? So go to the drive. It will take some time in opening. Okay. So here this is called shared with me. Left hand side, if you see left hand side priority, my drive shared with me. So you go to shared with me. And whatever I have shared with you, it will be visible here, right? So what will you get is, now my drive is different because I'm the owner of the folder which I've shared with you. So this is a folder, reading and writing for technology. Can you see the folder, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see reading and writing for technology? In
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
yes. Now if you click that folder, yes, in that assignment 1 is there. Remember? This assignment 1, where you have to share your assignments. Now somebody 2OWBCA, somebody has shared the file here. I will move all these files. All these files I will move in assignment 1 later. But now what I'm trying to tell you is, I'm creating a new folder. Name is CSE. Now you would be able to see this folder in your drive. Okay, and you have to upload your assignments there. Just do one thing, everybody go to your drive and tell me whether you can see this folder CSE in assignment 1. Can you go and check this, everybody? Are you listening to me? Just go to your drive. Yes, go to your drive, share it with me, and check whether you can see the folder name CSE. Those who cannot see, just let me know. Aarti Vyas is there in the class today?
Yes, ma'am. Can you see?
You can
દેખાય
see,
છે. Yes.
you can see the assignment folder. Very nice. Everybody just check once and write it in the chat box that yes, I can see the folder. Yes, Vruti can see, Zamir can see. Very good. કંપની ચેન્જ કરી શકશો અવધ યસ સબમિશન ડેટ હું આપું છું હમણાં શિવાની કેન સી જય સર મોહમ્મદ વેરી ગુડ કુશલ very nice. So almost everybody can see, right? Those who cannot see, just unmute your mic and talk to me. Very good. Okay. Can I show you one more thing now? When you open CSE folder, now see the screen. Just see the screen. Ayush, okay. See the screen. When you open the CSE folder, you have option of drop files here. See, here you can drop your files, right? Or you have an option of upload. I normally drop the files, but you can also upload the files. So what you have to do is you have to, you just take, this is for example, PPT. I'm going here. I don't know, it will take little time. Okay. So, yes. Can you see the drive now? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a file I took from the local folder, okay? And I'm dropping it here. I dropped it and it is uploading. Right? Can you see uploading item? It has got uploaded. Now what I have uploaded? I have uploaded our today's PPT. Right? So this is how you can upload the file. If you do it from your mobile, you will have the option how to upload, right? Okay. Now do you understand how to share your files? In phone, there is a plus button. Very nice. Thank you so much. Ashwin, can you show it? Can you present your screen here and show it to everybody? Ashwin, please share the screen of your phone here. You have an issue? Network issue. Mohit, okay, Mohit, please. Mohit Pathak, do that. Okay. Now Mohit is presenting a phone. Everybody please see. Mohit is in your drive. Mohit, are you in phone? Oh, Mohit, this is PC. Connect phone. Yes.
મેમ કયું કરવાનું અસાઇનમેન્ટ કે CSC
શું બેટા?
એટલે કેમાં જવાનું કીધું હતું તમે મને?
એમ તમારે CSE માં assignment 1 એટલે મેં તમને assignment શું આપ્યું હતું? You have to prepare a description of any technical gadget. Do you remember? તમે બધા you had written about
Yes, ma'am.
smartwatch. Yes, that was assignment 1. CSE is different. એટલે assignment 1 ના folder માં, CSE ના folder માં. Okay. So Mohit has shared his phone. Now Mohit, please go to your Google Drive. Very good. So go to Drive. Okay. Now can you go to the folder RWT, Reading and Writing for Technology? This is your RWT. My folder is Reading and Writing for Technology. You may search the drive as well. Yes. Click on Anjana Prajapati. No, this is PPT. See, CSE is being opened. Just search drive, type reading. In the search drive, just type reading.
Ma'am, મારામાં આવી ગયું બરોબર present.
So reading and writing for technology, yes. Now you see in that there are two options are there, assignment 1 and CSE. Now you open CSE. Good. And see there is a plus sign. Mohit, click this plus sign. Yes, when you open this plus sign, there is upload. See, so when you click on upload, yes, when you click on upload, it will show all these things in your phone. So wherever the file is, you may please upload it. Thank you so much, Mohit. Now you can disconnect. Okay, everybody get this? Do you all understand how to do this now? With phone and with laptop both. Okay, so once your assignment is ready, you submit the file here. So everybody's file will be there and don't submit it anywhere else. Okay, now let us go back to PPT again. Now the major question is, this assignment is of 20 marks, but how it will be judged? Your CSE will be assessed on these parameters. What are these parameters? See, selection of appropriate topic. Yes, your topic has to be appropriate. Selection of appropriate topic. Now, if you have not selected a good topic, your marks will be deducted. But I don't want you to lose the marks. That is why I would check before you select the topic, right? Because if you select a poor topic, and if I don't approve of that topic, you will get 0 marks. So that is why this first point, everybody will get good marks because I am going to check before you write, before you start work on the topic and you have written it in the drive. We'll go to that after this. Next is organization of information. Organization of information meaning once you Google it, you study that, you have so much of information. Now how to organize them, how to write it, right? So that we would study subject knowledge, meaning how much you have understood whatever you have written. That is important. I will give marks on that basis. Correctness of language. Is your language correct? Because you have to write it in your own words. You don't have to copy paste. Use of words. What are the words you are using? Vocabulary. Originality and creativity. How much you have written on your own, how much you are creative. Like for example, when I have prepared this presentation, I have prepared a lot of charts and tables. Like you see, this is a pyramid. So similarly, you can use these things in Word if you want. If you don't use, that's okay. But creativity also can be how you introduce the topic, how you end it, right? How you present other information. This is also a part of it. Okay, now let us have a look at topic. Somebody asked, can we change the topic? Let me see if you have changed the topic or not. There was a file of topics. Where is the file where lot of topics were there? Somebody changed it or what? Or somebody deleted it by mistake? There was an Excel file of topics. Okay, yes, class list with other details. I have to remove the file. Somebody moved it in. Okay. Now, this many people have selected the topic.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
It's not visible?
No, ma'am.
Are you able to see my screen or not?
No, ma'am.
Oh my God. So what screen are you seeing? Because I'm sharing the screen.
Yes, ma'am, visible જ છે.
But what is it visible? Excel file છે visible, class list with other details છે?
Yes, ma'am.
મેમ એ કોઈ વિઝિબલ જ નથી.
મેમ નથી વિઝિબલ.
વિઝિબલ છે.
અચ્છા હું ફરી
ભાઈ નથી અમારે.
Okay,
અચ્છા તો પાછું મેમ કરે છે કઈ વાંધો નહીં.
ફરીથી I'm sharing again, don't worry. Let's see. Present entire screen and share and okay. Now tell me if you can see the screen.
ઓકે મેમ ડન.
Done? Very good. Now let us see. I hope you have written the name, written the subject in front of your name. Okay, everybody has selected the topic. I will go through the topics once, what you have done. Reliance is okay, Apple is okay. See, Reliance when you can take Reliance Telecom. Kelvi is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Kelvi beta Reliance Telecom લઈ શકો. બરાબર Reliance આખું નહીં. Apple, SBI, Paras, good. Paras, SBI online banking કર નાખો.
મેમ મેં તમને રિલાયન્સ નું કીધું તું.
હા બેટા રિલાયન્સ કીધું તું પણ રિલાયન્સ જીઓ બોલ્યું તું કોક યાદ છે? અધરવાઇઝ પેલું છે ને રિલાયન્સ સુપરમાર્કેટ which is also online, right?
હા.
જીઓ સ્ટોર.
અને તમે મારી કમ્પ્લેન્ટ સામે હોન્ડા કરી નાખ્યું છે.
કોણે કર્યું છે? અચ્છા આવું બધું નહીં કરો બેટા યાર. આપણે લોકો મોટા થઈ ગયા છીએ. આઈ એમ શેરિંગ ધીસ શીટ બીકોઝ ઇટ ઇઝ ઈઝી ફોર યુ. હમણાં હું તમને એમ કહું તમારે બધાએ મને મેઇલ કરવાનો છે તો it is very easy for you. તો just respect it. અચ્છા હવે કેલ્વી બેટા રિલાયન્સ ચેક કરો વન બાય વન હું આવું છું બધાનું ચેક કરી દઉં છું. વૃત્તિ એપલ બરાબર છે. પારસ ખૂટ અવેલેબલ છે ક્લાસમાં?
મેમ તો રિલાયન્સ ટેલિકોમ કરી નાખું છું.
યસ બેટા કેલ્વી રિલાયન્સ ટેલિકોમ કરી નાખો.
ઓકે.
પારસ ખૂટ ઇઝ અવેલેબલ? તમે કોક કહી દેજો કે આ મેડમે જેટલા હાઇલાઇટ કર્યા છે ને બધા ચાલશે નહીં. બીએસએનએલ ઇઝ ગુડ, અલીબાબા ઇઝ ગુડ. અલીબાબા અંડરલાઇન કર્યું છે, કોણે કર્યું છે? ફિટબિટ ઇઝ ગુડ, સેમસંગ ગુડ, હીરો. આરતી Arti is present in the class. Hero is not going to work. Honda is not going to work. Shivani?
હા મેમ.
શિવાની બેટા હોન્ડા નથી કરવાનું, ચેન્જ કરો.
મેમ મેં તો પહેલા તમને કીધું તું ને રિલાયન્સ કરવાની છે પણ આમાં હોન્ડા થઈ ગયું છે.
ઓકે તો આ રિલાયન્સ કેલ્વીનું પણ છે.
મેં તો કેટલા ટાઈમ થી કહી દીધું તું.
ઓકે તો શિવાની ડુ વન થિંગ. શિવાની તમે બેટા રિલાયન્સ જીઓ કરી નાખો અને કેલ્વી તમે રિલાયન્સ ટેલિકોમ કરો. અધરવાઇઝ ટેલિકોમ ઇઝ ઓનલી જીઓ ને કે રિલાયન્સમાં પેલા સ્ટોર છે ખબર છે? રિલાયન્સ જીઓ એ સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યા છે ગ્રોસરી સ્ટોર્સ ઓનલાઈન બધા. और
जियो मार्ट.
हाँ जियो मार्ट, सॉरी, थैंक यू सो मच. शिवानी जियो मार्ट कर नाखना बेटा.
હા મેમ વાંધો નહીં.
हाँ केल्वी भले रिलायंस टेलिकॉम कर नाखे. आईसी दर्शन. आईसी, कैन यू टेल मी द फुल फॉर्म दर्शन आईसी? Can somebody tell me what is IC? ઓકે નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. વિવો, એમેઝોન બરાબર છે, વિવો બરાબર છે, એમઆઈ બરાબર છે, ઓપ્પો
મેમ ઓપ્પો મેં કરેલું છે.
હા ઓપ્પો બરાબર છે એમ કહું છું. અચ્છા ઓપ્પો બીજી વખત છે એવું છે?
હા.
એક મિનિટ તમે બે ઉભા રહો થોડીક વાર. પેલા બધા જોઈ લો પછી ડબલ વાળા લોકોને છેલ્લે આપણે કરીએ. જયસન ને?
હા.
કેવિન બેટા નાઇક નહીં હાલે. નાઇક કાઢો. Microsoft is good. GTPL, yes, good. Xiaomi, Xiaomi અને MI માં ફેર શું છે?
બે એક જ છે મેમ.
હા એટલે આ તમે લોકો ભાઈ તમે બે એકબીજાને વાત કરી
અલગ અલગ જ ઓમ અલગ અલગ જ છે.
ઓમ અલગ અલગ કાંઈ નથી. Xiaomi કંપનીની MI પ્રોડક્ટ છે. આમાં તમને બહુ જાજુ મળશે નહીં કાંઈ. જો આ તમે લોકો બેટા ચેન્જ કરો.
બ્રાન્ચ છે તેની બ્રાન્ચ.
હા બ્રાન્ચ છે પણ એવું નથી કરવું. એક કામ કરી નાખો MI
નથી ને
દીપ સખિયા છે હાજર અત્યારે?
યસ મેમ.
દીપ સખિયા MI ટીવી કરી નાખો. બરાબર સોરી MI ટીવી નહીં MI ફોન. બરાબર તમારે MI ફોન વિશે જ વાત કરવાની. અને પ્રિન્સ યુ હેવ ટુ ટોક અબાઉટ Xiaomi કંપની જેટલી પણ પ્રોડક્ટ બનાવે છે યુ હેવ ટુ ટોક અબાઉટ એવરીથિંગ. ફોનમાં તમારે એક નાનકડો પેરેગ્રાફ આવશે. ધ સ્મોલ પેરેગ્રાફ અબાઉટ ટીવી, સ્મોલ પેરેગ્રાફ અબાઉટ રિસેન્ટલી ફાયર સ્ટિક લોકોએ બનાવી છે. દે આર મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ લેપટોપ્સ. બરાબર પ્રિન્સ? પ્રિન્સ ડોબરિયા ભાઈ આ તમે કોઈ પ્રિન્સ ને કહી દેજો. દીપ સખિયા?
યસ મેમ.
દીપ તને સમજાઈ ગયું ને તારે અને પ્રિન્સ ને જે ડિફરન્સ કેટલો છે તું આ પ્રિન્સ ને સમજાવી દઈશ ને?
હા એને ચેટ બોક્સ માં લખ્યું હોય.
અજય ચેટ બોક્સ નું કરીશ એટલે આ વયું જશે ભાઈ એને કઈ.
ના
હા પ્રિન્સ તું હા તો પાડી દે માઇક ઓપન કરીને. હા પાડવામાં તો ક્યાં લેંગ્વેજ નડે છે આપણને. તપન કુમાર દવે ન્યૂ બેલેન્સ ઈ શું છે તપન?
બેટની કંપની છે મેડમ.
બેટરીની કંપની છે પણ એમાં તમારે
મેડમ બેટ ને શૂઝ ને એવું બધું આવે છે. બેટ શૂઝ બોલ ને એવું બધું બેગ બધું આવે છે એનું.
પણ બેટા આપણે ઈ નહીં ચાલે. તમે લોકો કમ્પ્યુટર એપ્લિકેશન રિલેટેડ કંઈક ગોતો. ખાલી હું તને હેલ્પ કરીશ. નાઇક આ નીકળ દો. નાઇક વિશ્વા રિબોક કાઢી નાખો. ઓપ્પો જયસન ઓપ્પો છે ને? જયસન એક વસ્તુ તને સજેસ્ટ કરું.
યસ મેમ.
જયસન આમાં છે ને પ્રીમિયમ ફોન જેવું લખી નાખ.
ઓકે.
Premium phones or high budget phones, right? They are very different. You get it? So if for example આપણે જે ફોન વાપરીએ ને they are same. For example we are using some for example Apple or Samsung Galaxy is completely different than the celebrity using Apple. You know that their phones are specially designed.
Yes ma'am.
So there are high budget phones which has altogether different technologies. રાઈટ
મેમ વિશે લખી ગયા?
હા બેટા
ગેમ્સ વિશે લખી ગયા?
કેના વિશે? ગેમ્સ લખી શકો ને? યસ યુ કેન હેવ ધ ગેમ. સો હુ ઇઝ આસ્કિંગ ધીસ?
તપન દવે.
તપન હા ગેમ લખી નાખો. તમારે આખું ગેમ લખશો તમે લાઈક ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કમ્પ્યુટર ગેમિંગ એવું આખું લખો એના કરતા યુ જસ્ટ ડુ એની વન ગેમ, એની વન પર્ટિક્યુલર ગેમ.
ઓકે મેમ હું તમને વિચારીને કહું.
હો લખી નાખ પછી કોઈ બીજું લખી નાખશે. સી
પુમા કંપની નું રાખી દે ભાઈ.
હા મેમ.
હા એટલે અત્યારે લખી જ નાખ. વિચારી લે પેલા.
ઓકે મેમ.
પેલી
મેમ હું શું લખું?
રમે છે ને નાવ ઇટ ઇઝ બેન્ડ. વોટ ઇઝ ઇટ?
જયસન.
There is some game. Okay. So Jason, write high budget phone.
મેમ ટેન્શન કઈ કંપની છે?
શું બેટા?
ટેન્શન ચાઇનાની કંપની ગેમિંગ કંપની
બ્લેકબેરી લખી નાખે એ મોબાઈલ વાળાની કંપની છે.
આ રીબોક બેટા ડિલીટ કરો. વિરેન્દ્ર રીબોક will not do beta, delete it. Find something good. Philips is okay, but Philips
મેમ
Gitan, I suggest Philips કરતા choose something better still. હા બેટા બોલો કોણ હતું?
તો પણ આપણે ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ નું કોઈ નથી તો ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ વિશે લખી શકું?
Oh yes.
ઓકે થેન્ક યુ મેમ.
હા બેટા
મારું ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ ફાઇનલ કરી નાખો ને.
કરી નાખો ને લખી નાખો બેટા.
હા મેમ.
હા Instagram and you can have Facebook and this recently કંઈક નવું આવ્યું છે શું છે ઈ? Wait. Telegram. Somebody please write Telegram.
Snapchat.
Yes.
WhatsApp.
Yes, WhatsApp. You can include that. અને આ ફિલિપ્સ ગીતે આ ફિલિપ્સ માં તો બહુ કઈ લખી નહીં શકે બેટા. ફિલિપ્સ કાઢ નાખો. ગીતેન છે હાજર?
ફેસબુક પણ છે.
ફેસબુક છે ને તો આમ તો ફેસબુક જૂનું થઈ ગયું છે બહુ બધા લોકો. એમેઝોન 2 વખત આવ્યું. મોહમ્મદ અકીલ ક્લાસમાં હાજર છે? And Dishit is present in the class? Dishit, Mohammad Bir and Bhavi. ઓપ્પો વાળા લોકો છે ને કાઢ નાખો એકબીજાને વાત કરી લ્યો ભાઈ. ઓપ્પો નહીં સોરી વિવો.
મેમ વિવો પણ રિપીટ થયું છે.
એટલે હું વિવો ડિલીટ કરી નાખું છું. રિપીટ થાય બધું નાખીશું. યસ.
ગીતેનમાં આઈબોલ રાખી દો.
ગીતેનમાં આઈબોલ. હા, આઈબોલ is a good company. And there are companies who are making routers. You know that? Wi-Fi routers.
TP-Link.
D-Link, yes, you can take that also. You know, technologies of routers. હવે તેમાં મેશ
સારી કંપની છે.
શું કે બેટા?
બ્લેકબેરી એન્ડ્રોઇડ ફોન માટે સારી કંપની છે.
Yes, BlackBerry is good. And you can take this mesh routers, right? You know that?
Hello,
Yes?
madam. Hello.
हाँ बोलो
મેડમ મારામાં એલજી રાખી દેજો.
હા
51 રોલ નંબર.
હા એલજી કેમ નાખવાનું બેટા?
એલજી ટીવી ને કમ્પ્યુટર બધે.
કોણ છે આ? પ્લીઝ ટેલ મી યોર નેમ. હું ગૂગલ મીટ માં જઈશ ને તો મારું સ્ક્રીન વહી જશે તો દેખાશે નહીં. યસ કેવિન બેટા એલજી નહીં કરો. You know there are beautiful other stuff to do. કેટલું technology is developed. Why you are doing LG? You can talk about, yes, I was telling about mesh routers. Do you know about mesh routers?
No.
Mesh routers is a beautiful system. You have one router and you have 5-6 routers. You can keep it in every room, every floor. If you have a house, 5-floor house, you can have one router at every floor. You can take it anywhere with you. Movable router.
વિચારીને કહું તો બીજું નામ હાલો.
હા કઈ વિચાર લે. Puma, oh my god. Kumar Rathod, Puma delete. Canon is good, but Canon printing technology.
Why ma'am? Puma क्यों delete?
Puma શું છે હવે? Puma માં શું ટેકનોલોજી આવે?
Puma ને Puma ma'am shoes company.
હા પણ shoes company is not related to computer application, right? Kushal, alphabet is what? હવે પેપર.
અને મારામાં એસર કરી નાખો ને.
તમે બોલો નામ.
સાબિર ખોરદિયા 89.
હા એમાં શું કરવાનું છે?
એસઆર એસીઆર.
લેનેવો છે તો
ના એ મારું નહીં એ નહીં એ નહીં 89 જાબીર ખોરજિયા
89. Yes.
એને બે જ ઉપર હા
Yes, sir. બરાબર. સોની
હા
નોકિયા ટેકનો શું છે કેર્યું? OnePlus, Realme. Realme હવે ટીવી પણ બનાવવા માંડ્યા છે. You got a stuff. Krish. Otherwise, Wipro is a good company. એટલે there are so many software companies.
મેમ આરબીઆઈ રાખી શકી?
RBI અને TCS રાખો. Hey, my voice is echoing now.
એ મેં રાખેલું મેડમ TCS.
તો TCS કોઈ રાખ્યું હોય નહીં.
મેમ આરબીઆઈ એક કંપની નથી? રિઝર્વ બેંક ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા.
RBI કંપની છે બેટા, કમ્પ્યુટર એપ્લિકેશન બેઝ.
ઓકે ઓકે.
હવે કુમાર રાઠોડ આ જેટલા લોકોને અમે ડિલીટ કરી નાખ્યા છે ને, આઈ એમ સો સોરી અબાઉટ ઇટ. તમે તમારા મિત્રોને ફોન કરી લેજો અને ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરી લેજો કે ભાઈ આપણે બેમાંથી કોણ રાખીએ. બાકી there are so many other companies.
હેલો મેડમ.
હા બેટા.
વોટ્સએપ આવી ગયું વોટ્સએપ.
વોટ્સએપ નથી લખ્યું, લખી જ નાખ ફટાફટ.
હા તો
મેમ બીજા કોઈ પુમા રાખેલું છે મેમ કંપનીનું નામ?
પુમા રાખ્યું છે, આપણે ડિલીટ કરી નાખીએ હમણાં. જો આ તો હું તમને હેલ્પ કરું છું, બાકી તમને ખબર જ છે કે તમારા માર્ક્સ કટ થવાના જ છે જો તમે ટોપિકમાં છે ને એવી કંપની રાખશો કે જે કમ્પ્યુટર એપ્લિકેશન સાથે રિલેટેડ નથી. Puma, where is it?
Hello.
Who else has Puma here?
Hello.
Yes.
હેલો મેડમ.
મેમ બ્લેકબેરી?
Blackberry, yes.
રોલ નંબર 51.
તો મેમ મારામાં બ્લેકબેરી રાખી દો.
What is the roll number, enrollment number?
51.
51.
વોટ્સએપ મેડમ, બ્લેકબેરી ને વોટ્સએપ.
Okay.
અને બ્લેકબેરી ઓલા કુમાર રાઠોડમાં કરવાનું.
Okay, now you deal with it. You write it in your own way. આ શું છે? Look, I'm okay, just last in the last lecture, how to organize present information.
મેડમ તમારે
શું બેટા?
કુમાર વોઇસ બોક્સ પર
હા ઓકે ઓકે.
Okay, now thank God echoing has stopped. Okay, quickly let's wrap up. Next session we are going to discuss how to organize and present an information, and the closing remarks I would say, sorry, not this one. This is attributed. Okay, so in this lecture what we have learned is submission time. Yes, submission time, I'm still not giving you deadline. By next week, in the next lecture, I'll give you the deadline once your topic gets all right. Still, there are so many people who have not written their topics there. So once all of that happens, I will declare the deadline. And there is one more thing. In the next lecture, I'm going to discuss how to organize and present an information. So once that is done, I'll declare that how much time you will get to prepare about it. Okay. So in this lecture, we discussed how to submit your CSE, right? It is 20 marks. What is the connection between CSE and term work? Whatever work you do in CSE, the same work you have to present through PPT in term work, right? You all would be doing your pre-test this week. It is open in all your accounts, and speaking schedule I'll be sending in the group. I'm sorry. Okay, do not copy paste. It is underlined, bold, italics. Keep this in mind while you select. What you have to do is go back to the drive, share assignment 1 if you have not completed yet, and then you select the company if you have not yet selected, if it is blank or if I have deleted or highlighted. Okay, that's all for the day. Good day everybody. Yes beta. Yes, bolo.
મેમ કેટલા પેજ લખવાના છે એમ કહું છું.
બેટા મેમ કીધું 500 વર્ડ્સ રેકોર્ડિંગ અપલોડ કરજો. યસ યસ આઈ વિલ અપલોડ.
મેમ
થેન્ક યુ.
હા
મેમ આ ટીમ વર્ક માં શું કરવાનું છે?
ટર્મ વર્કમાં
હમ
ટર્મ વર્ક ની અંદર what you have to do is પ્રેઝન્ટેશન આપવાનું છે. જે તમે પીપીટી બનાવો છો ને એનું જ પ્રેઝન્ટેશન આપવાનું છે. બટ that is
ઓકે મેમ.
at the end of the semester I'll again explain.
આપણે મેમ જે કંપની ચોઈસ કરી એના વિશે જ આપણે પ્રેઝન્ટ કરવાનું ને જે વર્ડમાં કરેલું છે તે પીપીટી.
Yes exactly.
ઓકે મેમ થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you beta. Sumitra was asking something.
મેમ મારું નામ આમાં નહોતું મેં ફ્લિપકાર્ટ રાખ્યું છે તે ઇઝ હાલે?
હા હા ચાલશે. એમાં નામ લખી
મેમ
નાખો.
મારું બ્લેકબેરી રાખ્યું ને
બેટા એક મિનિટ વન બાય વન. સુમિત્રા એમાં ફિલ્ટર છે ફિલ્ટર કાઢી નાખો. તમારું નામ હશે તમારા નામની સામે RWT નથી લખ્યું ને એટલે નહીં હોય. બરાબર?
ઓકે.
હા બોલો. યસ નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન.
મેમ મેં ઓલી આલ્ફાબેટ કંપની રાખી હતી.
મેમ મારે આ ડબલ માં છો તમે બ્લેકબેરી રાખ્યું મારું.
મેં કર્યું છે પણ તોય તમે એકવાર જોઈ લો. તમારી સાથે એ શીટ શેર કરેલી જ છે. એ શીટ છે ને 12 જ છે. બરાબર? ક્લાસ લિસ્ટ વિથ ડિટેલ્સ છે ને. બરાબર અસાઇનમેન્ટ 1 માં નથી રીડિંગ એન્ડ રાઇટિંગ વિથ ટેકનોલોજી નું ખોલશો ને ફોલ્ડર એટલે સીધું છે શીટ ક્લાસ લિસ્ટ વિથ ડિટેલ્સ. એમાં તમારું કરી નાખજો. એમાંથી ફિલ્ટર કાઢી નાખજો. ઓકે JBL no JBL.
હાલો
Yes Kaushal.
મેમ મેં ઓલી આલ્ફાબેટ કંપની રાખી ને ગૂગલ નો આમ બ્રાન્ચ છે.
Okay fine then it is okay. Thank you so
મેમ
much.
થઈ ગયું
મેમ વિરેન્દ્ર સોલંકી નું રેડમી રાખો.
એમાં કરી નાખો બેટા હવે. યસ એમાં લખી નાખો just right there.
મેમ વિપ્રો ચાલશે ને?
Wipro is good. Yes.
ક્વિકિલ ચાલશે ક્વિકિલ?
Quickly yes. Okay thank you everybody. Have a good day. Please join your next session. Otherwise you will be late. See you on Tuesday. Bye bye.
Okay ma'am, bye bye.
Bye.